Okay, fine students. So in this video we will see what is RH blood grouping system. RH means rhesus monkey. Rhesus monkey students. There was a scientist. His name was Landsteiner, great scientist, given ABO discovered ABO blood grouping system with his colleague Wiener in 1940 developed discovered RH blood grouping system. Actually he was doing some work, some study on the red blood cell of the rhesus monkey, and he observed on the surface of the rhesus monkey red blood of the red blood cell. Suppose this is the red blood cell of the rhesus monkey. Okay, he observed on the surface of the rhesus monkey red blood cell some antigen present. He given name RH antigen. Okay, then he observed same kind of antigen present in the even human also. In fact, 80% of the nearly 80% of the human have same kind of RH antigen. So he told very simply, those who have RH antigen, those who have RH antigen, they are RH positive. Positive. Those who have not RH antigen, they are RH negative. RH negative. Clear? RH positive approximately 80% of the population of world. RH negative is approximately 20% of the population of world. You tell what is your blood group. Like suppose my blood group is A positive. So this in this A positive, this positive is indicating that I am RH positive and I have same kind of antigen which is present in rhesus monkey. Yeah, same kind of antigen which is present in rhesus monkey even is present in red blood cells of inside the me also. Okay, now students, you see one clinical condition that called erythroblastosis foetalis is a kind of RH blood grouping issue. Okay, it's a kind of RH incompatibility which is observed in mother and the fetus. How exactly? Try to understand. Erythroblastosis foetalis you say, or you say it's hemolytic diseases in newborn. Same thing. Hemolytic diseases in newborn. Yeah. In newborn. Hemolytic diseases in newborn. Fine. So see, we have one lady, this lady is RH negative. Whatever blood group she has, she is RH negative. And her husband, that husband is RH positive. Okay. Now in the next generation and his kids is possible, the kid will be RH positive also, and it's possible it will be RH negative. Kid will be RH negative also. You take one situation during first pregnancy, she is carrying a baby who is RH positive. Okay, it is observed that the first pregnancy will be completely safe. You all know that this if this is the fetus, the baby which is carrying fetus, through the body of mother, he connected by a disc shaped organ. This disc shaped organ is called placenta. Okay, placenta obtain all kind of nutrition from the mother and transfer it to the fetus, isn't it not? This is how placenta will obtain nutrition from the mother endometrium and they will take it to the fetus. This is how the fetus is getting nutrition. First pregnancy is completely safe, but at the time of delivery it is possible some volume of blood of the fetus enter at the time of delivery. I'm telling, at the time of parturition, at the time of delivery, through the placenta it's possible some red blood cell enter into the mother blood. Now mother is RH negative. Mother is RH negative means RH antigen is absent here in mother blood, right? Baby is RH positive, that means red blood cell have RH antigen. Yeah, suppose this is RH antigen. Now if RH antigen containing red blood cell enter into the mother blood, immediately it click on immune reactions. This Rh antigen will be detected by B lymphocyte, and the B lymphocyte differentiate into a cell. That cell is called plasma cell. This plasma cell, students, it produces a lot of Rh antibody. Yeah, you see, they are produced lot of Rh antibodies. This Rh antibody, which was produced in lot of amount, they will bind with the red blood cell of the fetus. This is fetal red blood cell. Fetal red blood cell Rh antigen, they will bind. This Rh antibody will bind, and then they will cause hemolysis. Okay, and this is how fetal red blood cell, which was enter at the time of delivery of baby, it will it will eliminate it from the mother's body, right? Till here, okay, nice, no issue. But issue created when body actually read this antigen antibody reaction, encounter of antibody with the Rh antigen, and they formed a memory cell. They formed one memory B cell. This memory B cell will remain in the circulation of the mother, and they will actually remember always the encounter of Rh antibody with the Rh antigen, right? Memory cell is circulating in the mother's blood. Fine. First pregnancy is safe. After few days, after few months, again that lady got pregnancy. Not first pregnancy, now she got second pregnancy. Second pregnancy. During second pregnancy, suppose again this fetus is Rh positive. Okay, mother, obviously mother blood group will not change. Mother fetus is, this second fetus is also Rh positive. Now unfortunately, when this red blood cell is Rh positive, there is possibility, not in each and every case, but in some cases it's possible that immune system of the mother, yeah, immune system of the mother will detect it. Okay, and immediately that memory B cell will activate. Which memory B cell? Which have memory of Rh antigen encounter with Rh antibody, isn't it? That memory cell will activate, and what they will do, they will cause production of plasma cells. This plasma cell produces lot of anti-Rh antibodies. Anti-Rh antibodies, lot of Rh antibodies going to produce in the mother blood, right? And Rh blood group also, student, which blood group? Rh antibody, which antibody? Which Rh antibody will produce, by plasma cell? Immunoglobulin G antibody. This immunoglobulin G antibody crosses placenta, enter into the fetus body, crosses placenta, enter into the fetus body. Yeah, immunoglobulin G is the only antibody which can cross placenta, cross umbilical cord, enter into the fetus, right? And then what they will do, they will cause mass destruction of Rh positive red blood cells. Yes, Rh positive red blood cells is going to break on mass level, and there is possibility, different condition is possible, horrible condition. It is possible due to entry of lot of immunoglobulin G and Rh antibody into the fetal blood. It's possible there will be mass destruction of red blood cell, hemolysis, and causes hemolytic anemia, right? Hemolytic anemia, red blood cell number decreased. Okay, oxygen carrying capacity of the fetus decreased, right? And you all know, when red blood cell will break, red blood cell have only hemoglobin. That hemoglobin will also break, and hemoglobin have two part. First part is called heme, second part is called globin, right? This heme, students, this heme have actually one ring. That ring is called porphyrin ring. This porphyrin ring have iron also. Okay, no problem, iron is not an issue. Fe2 plus ion present. This porphyrin ring, it will develop into a pigment that is called bilirubin pigment. Causes bilirubin pigment. Fine. This bilirubin pigment, students, lot of bilirubin pigment will, produce into the body of the fetus, and that causes jaundice. Okay, right? It causes enlargement of liver, it causes enlargement of spleen, hepatomegaly, splenomegaly, it causes edema, heart failure even. Sometimes lot of bilirubin deposit into the brain, and that causes death even. That causes kernicterus. Kernicterus means deposition of bilirubin in the brain, and it can cause mental retardation and death. So this is what possible in the case of erythroblastosis foetalis. Reason is what? Our ability of our body, ability of our immune system to remember to encounter fight between antigen antibody. This is what main problem creator, right? In second pregnancy, it's shown unnecessary, not required immunity, right? Now, how can we protect here? How can we protect the second fetus? How can we protect the couple from this situation? What we can do? See, during first pregnancy, see, mother blood group you all know Rh negative, father blood group Rh positive. So you just imagine that this situation happened in that case. Now immediately after delivery of the fetus, you just go for blood grouping of the fetus. If fetus is Rh positive at the time of delivery of the first fetus, if the guy is Rh positive, you just imagine that this transfer of fetal red blood cell in the mother blood is possible, right? So immediately within 48 hours in market, Rhd antibody or Rogam antibody, actually this is Rh antibody, it's available in market. Within 48 hours you just inject into the mother body. Okay, so within 48 hours, this, if Rh antibody, Rhd antibody or Rogam antibody will be injected into the mother body, they will cause breakdown of the red blood cell of the fetus, right? Because see, developing plasma cell and production of antibody take minimum 48 hours of the time. Before that only you just eliminate the fetal red blood cell, right? So immunity will not develop, memory cells will not develop. Okay, second fetus will completely safe. If second fetus is also Rh positive, and you want, and the lady want third baby, so for that sake, again in the second case also they have to inject within 48 hours Rh antibody or Rhd antibody or Rogam antibodies. This is what haemolytic diseases in newborn, and this is what Rh blood grouping system. This class is super important for NEET UG. Remaining we will see in next video. Bye.